Our
team.
Blue Sand.
Where?
From
Sir
Winston.
Churchill.
High School.
Ivy.
Shafin.
Jordan.
Sam.
Shoaib.
Kevin.
Okay, now we put a hole through the cap that's the size of the tube. That way we can attach the tube to the air compressor. We used a 2-liter Coke bottle in which we cut open the top and the bottom. When we cut open the bottom, we stuck a clear filter or a distribution plate throughout, and we punctured holes throughout so we can distribute the air evenly. We put a tubing at the bottom so we can connect to the air compressor, and we use strong duct tape to tape it all together so then the air will not escape. Okay, so now we're connecting the tubing to the air compressor, and the material we're using is blue sand. It's actually fine stone granules, which you're gonna put in later.
Okay, guys, we added some more holes and it's recording now. Yeah, it's recording. First solution, we tried having small holes, very densely packed to each other. However, this was also a problem because there was not enough lift for the grains to actually liquefy. And a solution for that was having this disc shape and poking small holes. This would allow the air to equally come through the holes and liquefy whatever's inside.
Parameter number 1. Alright, in this diagram, we can see that the millet, as shown here, is pretty big, right? So, because it's not very dense, then the gravitational force acting on the millet is less than the buoyancy force acting up on the millet. And because of that, because it's not equal, the system itself is not in equilibrium. So instead of hovering like it's supposed to, as acting as like a liquid, it would spray out of the container. And in our diagram of sand, sand is very dense. You can see here, and the gravitational force acting on the sand is equal to the buoyancy force acting up. So this system is in equilibrium. And this would cause the sand to hover like a liquid. And this is proved to us because in experiment 1 we used the millet, and the millet went spraying all over the place, but in experiment 2 we used the sand, and it only hovered.
parameter number 2 would be the volume of the containers we're using. In the previous container, the volume was greater, so then the air pressure coming through would be less. However, in the second model, we use a smaller container with less volume of cross-section area, so then the air pressure will be greater and will balance out the gravitational force of the sand.
Thank you.